Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to showcase how a makeup appointment goes when I have a client in my salon. So just imagine I will be the client today.
Let's do it.
The very first thing that I need to know is there is no other product on their skin. So to be sure for this, I just clean the skin while trying not to skip the area around the eyes and T-zone. When I apply the base, I'm starting to apply a product here on the neck because the base needs to get dry a little. I apply the foundation evenly so I don't leave any uncovered spots. I apply the foundation on the jawline, on the neck, and continue blending with glowing product. For wet effect, this is our smooth transition from the shiny look of the face to the untreated part below. When I finish with the foundation, I'm starting with the concealer. I use a light concealer to add a volume, but it's also often used to hide blemish or anything else. When I work with the clients, I know that they want their makeup to look natural on their skins, but I'm trying to explain them that it will be a really big difference before makeup and after makeup.
I like my products to be full coverage and to last longer.
I always prefer my product to be waterproof. I like how light tones could make parts of your face to pop up, like the eyebrows, for example. I know that it looks like I'm using a lot of products, but don't worry about it. At the end, it won't be so much. Before powder, I'm using the highlighter. Usually we have good time with the clients, but that means that they're smiling a lot. So I have to constantly remind them not to do it.
That's especially important when I apply the concealer under the eyes. It's safe to smile after we seal the area with powder.
So in this moment I seal the makeup. I place the shadow on the nose till this moment here. I want the area between the eyes to be without contouring, so it doesn't take the focus away from them. First, I do the contouring with dark eyeshadow, and after that, I divide with very light powder. And I apply a lot of powder under the eyes. Experience taught me that when I use the eyeshadow, small part of the product drop down on the cheeks. So it's safer when I use more powder, which I can remove later.
As you can see, I leave around 5 mm empty space between the powder and the place where eyelashes grow.
When I start with their eyebrows, they're worried that they will become too thick and dark. To assure the client that I'm not changing their eyebrows, I usually explain that I'm only making them a bit more thick. I start asking about preferences, like color and intensity, after I'm done with the base. I love when they truly trust me, and that makes it much easier. I always take into account their age, the color of their outfit, and the occasion when I'm deciding. I'm aiming to achieve styling,
Smoky makeup with the accent on the eyes or lips, but not on both.
When the client let me choose the type of makeup, I prefer to use less colors and do something more natural, where some features kinda blend together. But also, I cannot deny that I love the challenge when the client comes with a photo reference of what he wants. I'm gonna try to draw a thin line here on the eyelid, really thin one with silver glitter. There are so many different techniques. Everyone can choose the one that works best for him. That's why I like to experiment, so I get to know the products better. One of the most important things when you're working with a client, I'm always explaining what I do so they know what to expect at the end. I really like doing makeup, and I'm so happy to share this with you.